Dot product and angle. Now what is dot product? We are going to define dot products, and the dot product is a way to multiply two vectors and get a number scalar as a result, not a vector. Now you can see that a dot b, vector a dot b is equal to this is absolute value or magnitude of a multiplied by the magnitude of b multiplied by the cos of theta. Now you see that there are vector a is here and vector b, there between angle between them is theta. So a is the magnitude of the length of the vector a and b is the magnitude of vector b. Theta is the angle between. This is called dot product. Now how to find out? Take a quick example to find how much the quick use of dot vector to find how much one vector acts in the direction of another. To calculate the angle between two vectors, we can also calculate angle, or even you can say three things. Quick example, we are taking two vectors a and b, and you can see that the vector a is 3 4. This is your vector 3 and 4, 3i plus 4j. You can also write b is equal to 5 and 2, 5i plus 2j. Third direction is not we are using. Dot products using components, we can find dot product by this. Simply multiply by this first vector to this 3 5, make plus, then second vector 4 multiplied by 2, and you will get 23. The 15 plus 8 is equal to 22. Now this is the formula. We have changed little from above, that is we have divided this a cross and b by a dot b because we are interested in finding theta. So cos of theta is equal to a dot b upon a magnitude of a multiplied by magnitude of b. Now we have to find the magnitude of a. This is the magnitude of a is equal to, now vector 3 square plus vector 4 square is equal to, actually it is 25. So it is 25. So let me correct it. 25. So this is your 25, and b vector 5 to 5 square plus 2 square, it gives you under root 29. Now using these values a dot b, that is actually we have taken square root, my mistake. There is no, only 5 is answer, so I can rub it. 5 answer is correct because this is 25, but square root gives you 5. Now 5 multiplied by 29, this is your a values, this is your a, and this is cross b, and you have a 23 value is here. So putting this 23, 5 multiplied by 29. Now you can use this value by writing like theta is equal to cos of inverse, and go to the calculator, and in calculator you can use this value, that is 23 upon 529. You will get in a degree angle. Now we are not interested in so much. Now what are the key points? Positive dot products, angle is less than negative. When the dot angle must be less than 90 degree, because when the angle is less than 90 degree, you can find easily positive dot products. Zero dot product, vectors are perpendicular. If you get the zero product of dot a dot b, you have your vectors are at 90 degree. So 90 degree means cos 90 is equal to 1. Negative dot product, angle more than, if you have an answer negative, then your dot product is negative, then angle is more than 90 degree. Remember that dot products connects algebra components and geometry angles. So we can components with geometry angles, super, and we use in maths and physics these values. Good luck.